はい。
Okay, 連鎖読んで。昔は、
はい。昔は遠く場所へも歩いて行きました。
not 場所、ところ。
ところ
Okay,
へ行きます。
昔は、
昔は遠い場所へも歩いて行きました。馬や小さい船は作っていましたが、行けるところは少なかったです。15世紀には船で遠くまで行けるようになりました。ヨーロッパの人は船で遠い国へ行って珍しいものを持って帰りました。19世紀に汽車と汽船ができました。大勢の人やたくさんのものが運べるようになりました。外国へ行く人も多くなりました。20世紀になって飛行機や自転車が利用できるようになりました。今は飛行機や車で自由に好きなところへ行けます。次の夢は宇宙です。誰でも宇宙へ行けるようになるでしょうか？好きで青い、地球を見ながら食事できるようになるかもしれませんね。
ジェンさん。
はい。昔は遠いところへ、も歩いて行きました。海や小さい船は伝っていましたが、行けるところや少しなったです。15世紀には、船で遠くまで行けるようになりました。ヨーロッパの人は船で遠い国へ行けて、珍しい。
行って珍しいものを持って帰りました。19世紀に汽車と汽船ができました。大勢の人やたくさんのものが運べるようになりました。大国へ行く人も多くなりました。20世紀になって飛行機や自転車が利用できるようになりました。今は飛行機や車で自由に好きなところへ行けます。次の夢は宇宙です。誰でも宇宙へ行けるようになるでしょうか？月で青い地球を見ながら食事できるようになるかもしれませんね。 はい、よくできました。Let's try to analyze the sentence here. We are saying here that long time ago, noong unang panahon daw, yung mga malalayong lugar din daw ay napupuntahan. Okay? Okay? Dati daw, sa kabayo, tsaka yung maliliit na shape, baka daw ang ginagamit. Okay? Pero yung mga lugar daw na kayang puntahan ay onti lang daw. Noong 15th century naman daw, okay,
gamit ang bangka, okay, yung mga hanggang malalayong lugar daw ay kayang napupuntahan na. Okay? Yung mga European people daw, okay, dahil sa paggamit ng bangka, yung malalayong country raw ay napuntahan. Tsaka yung mga rare things daw ay nakukuha raw pabalik. Noong 19th century naman daw by Kisha. Kisha is steam train, and we have our Kisen is our steamboat. Okay? Steamboat, okay? So this one, ang function naman niya, na-invento naman siya, okay? So Kisha to Kisen ga dekimashita. Okay? Na-built naman tong dalawa na to. So oze, it means many, crowded. So many people ang able to transport. Then, yung mga foreign people, okay, then we say here for yung mga foreign places, okay, mga country, gai kokoe iku hito mo, eto hito mo, oku narimashita. Okay, so sinasabi rin din natin, yung mga foreigner din na gusto na pumupunta ay dumami din. Ngayong 20th century, okay, by plane or by bike, okay, na-able daw siyang to utilize. We have Rio, okay, it means to utilize. Ngayon, by airplane or by car, okay, malaya daw napupuntahan yung mga bagay na na kayang mapuntahan. We have our GU, it means freely, okay, malaya, no? Malayang napupuntahan. So Yumiwa, okay, ang susunod naman daw na pangarap or dream, okay, ay kalawakan, uchi. Okay? Uchi, it means space. Wala dito sinasabing dare demo uchi e ikiru yoni naru desho ka? So sinasabi natin dito na wala pong nakakapuntang tao sa space, no? Pero this one, dahil nga yung next na dream na to, okay, via from or via moon daw, okay, nakikita raw natin yung blue earth habang pinagmamasdan habang kumakain. Okay? Dekeri yoni kamoshiremasen. So this one, ito mas mababa pa to sa tabun, no? So maybe. Because maybe this one was invented, this book, there's no much yet there's no much yet rocket ship. Okay? Now let's try to answer the following. Okay. Okay, we will go now with this one. For example, mukashi wa, okay, noong unang panahon, ang ginagamit ay uma tsaka chisai fune. Okay? Yun ang unang mga ginagamit ng mukashi. Okay? So ano nangyayari nung ito yung ginagamit? Yung mga lugar na kayang mapuntahan ay onte. Okay? Ikeru tokoro wa sukunai, it become past tense, sukuna kata desu. Yung mga lugar na kayang mapuntahan ay omonte. Okay, past tense here. How about no 15th century? Anong ginagamit natin? Eto MJ, 15th century, anong gamit?
Fune.
Fune, okay. Do deshita ka? Okay. Anong nangyari?
遠いところへ行けるようになりました。
Okay, very good. So toi tokore. You can say that one. Toi tokoro. Okay. Ikeru yoni narimashita. Okay. Yung malalayong lugar daw ay napupuntahan. Hai yoko dekimashita. Okay, and we have here our fune. Okay, 19th century, let's have Lensan.
はい。記者と危険で、
Kisha, and we have our Kisen, right?
以前、
So we have steamboat and steam train. Okay. And do desu ka? Do deshita ka? Ano nangyari?
大勢
Nung
の
inyong
人
ginamit?
やたくさんのものが運べるようになりました。
Okay, good. So like many things are able to transport, okay? So we can say our O's no Ehiko. Yeah, takusan. Taksan muna. Hakoben. Or we can do this. Okay. So that is the cost of the 19th century of using the steamboat, and we have our steam train. How about now? Okay, currently, ima, ja, Jensan.
はい、飛行機と車です。
Okay, so we have our hikoki, okay, and we have our kuruma. Okay. And how is the experience?
自由に好きなところへ行けるようになりました。
Okay, sa malaya nating napupuntahan. Jiyu. Jiyu ni sukina. Sukina tokoro e. Okay. So let's try to read our kanji here. Ja, MJ, please read the whole box sentence.
15世紀、船、遠いところへ行けるようになりました。19世紀、汽車、汽船、大勢の人やたくさんのものが運べるようになりました。今、飛行機、車、自由に好きなところへ行けるようになりました。
はい、よくできました。Okay, let's go in this one now. No. Okay. So let's try to answer the following here. Let's use with our, no, not this one again. Okay. With our particles here. Okay, read the first one, MJ. For example, first, kino. MJ, kino.
はい、昨日、ミラさんに会いました。
Batsu to no? Batsu.
バツだ。
Kino, Mira-san ni aimashita. Okay. So we will just put the right particle. Ja, ichiban Tolen-san.
はい。ダッシュブランク合わないように、いつもブランク、父頃を内ブランク出ます。
Okay, so what's our first particle?
に。
Okay, ni. How about second?
Second, o. ない。
Okay, nine, okay. And then?
O.
Okay, very good. So take note, okay? Sa rasyo ni, okay? We have our awanai, okay? Awanai yo ni itsumo, okay? This is an adverb, so we don't use any particle there. Shichijigoro uchi wo demasu. So we're saying here that in order for us to not meet, okay, the rush hour, okay, every day, or I always around 7 o'clock go out in the house. Ja, Niban, eto, Jensan.
Hey, yoru juji blank sugitara dekiru kedo blank denwa o kakenai hoga ides.
Okay, what's our
first,
answer?
O. First one is O. And then X next.
Okay, right. Arimasen, no? Okay, so how do you understand the sentence?
By 10 o'clock p.m., it's advisable not to take the next calls.
Okay.
Or tumawag sa telepono.
Okay. So this one, pag lumagpas na raw daw ng 10 o'clock, because sugimas, right? Lumagpas to exceed. Pag lumagpas na raw ng 10 o'clock, okay, ang pagtawag raw ay hindi na raw pwede. Okay? Because kakenai hoga ides. Okay? This is like better. It's better for you to not able to, or it's better for you to not make a phone call pag lumagpas na ng 10 o'clock. Okay? Because our dekeru dake. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na siya pwede. Ja, samban, eto, MJ.
はい、新しい仕事ブランク、やっとブランク、少し慣れました。
Okay. What's our particle here? Me, okay.
はい。So, X.
Okay, X. Okay. 新しい仕事にやっと少し慣れました。So we have our 慣れます it means to be accustomed or to be adjusted with the culture or with the company. So like saying here that in my job, okay, finally, okay, I'm able to adjust a little. Ja, Yomban, eto, Jensan.
Hi, I Maitsuki blank kanarazu haha blank ichiman en okuru yoni shiteimasu.
Okay.
First
answer.
One is X.
Okay.
Then second.
And then?
Tapos next is me.
Okay, we have our particle ni. Hi, yokodekimasu. So sinasabi natin that everyone, okay, definitely my mom, okay, for our ichiman, okay, okuru yo ni shiteimasu, okay. So like saying here that the one who receives is your mother, okay. Everyone, definitely I'm sending money of 10,000 yen to my mom. Because it's actually a habit. Ja, Niban, for this one, our example, okay, we have our yoni, but this one it's in the form of ito. Let's go here. Yokomeyeru yoni, okay. This one is our potential, no? Yoko mieru yo ni okiji de, okay, kaite kudasai, okay. For you to see it well, okay, please write the characters in big. Please write the characters in big, okay. For our number 2, okay, michi wo machigaenai yo ni chizu wo motte ikimasu. So in order for you to not have mistake with the street, okay, you have to bring or you will bring a map. Okay, ja ichiban yonde kudasai Lensan.
明日早くブランキオに今晩早く寝ます。
Okay, what's our answer?
明日早く起きられるように、
Okay.
今晩早く寝ます。
Okay. So we have our okirareru. No? Okirareru. Okay. So sinasabi natin dito na bukas, okay, maaga ka, you will wake up, you will able to wake up early. So this one is a plain form of potential. Yoni konban hayaku nemasu. Bukas maaga kang gigis, you will able to wake up early, so sleep well tonight. Okay. Ja, sugiwa. Eto niban MJ.
はい。大切な約束をブランク用にメモしておきます。
Okay.
忘れない。
Okay, wasurenai. Very good. Wasurenai. Okay. So like we're saying here that the important appointment or promise, okay, for you to not forget it, please take a memo. Samban eto Jensan.
はい。お茶を飲みたいとき、いつでもブランク用にお湯が置いてあります。
Okay, good. So what's our answer?
Nomeru.
Okay, so very good. So we have our nomeru. So sinasabi nito, kapag gusto mo uminom ng tsaa, okay, every itsudemo, anytime, okay, in order for you to drink, okay, please put a hot water. We have oyu, it means hot water. Then oite is to put. When oite arimasu, it means to put intentionally. Okay. So once we have our transitive, it will become our te form, but we will add instead arimasu. Okay. Next one, let's have number 4. Ito, Lensan.
はい。いいレポートがブランクやように資料を集めています。
Okay, what's our answer here?
書けるように。
Very good. So we have our kakeru. Kakeru. So for the good report, in order for you to write, okay, please collect, I'm collecting the documents. Ja, goban ito MJ.
はい。寒いですから、風邪をブランク用に気をつけてください。ひかない。
Okay, so our answer here is?
ひかない。
Hikanai. Okay. Okay, this kanji. Malamig siya, okay? Para hindi ka magka-flu, okay? Please be careful, okay? Be careful. So this one is our kaze for stick, okay? Next one, okay. So that's our answer. Okay, so let's go now with this verb. Okay, what will happen to the verb? We will just change it from the mass form by using the appropriate form. So for example, we have our odorimasu here, odoremas, it will become odoreru. Okay, so let's try to answer the following here. So we have the following verb first. We have our kiraremas, tsukaimasu, sumimasu, odoremas, okemas, chokin shimasu. And we have our kikeraremasu. Kakeraremas. Kakeraremas. So like in this example, okay, we have our eto bondo, okay, no? Okay, bondo. Okay. Bon odori, okay. Bon odori ga sokoshi, or we have our odoremasu, so we become odoreru. Okay, odoreru yoni narimashita. Okay. So like saying here that for the festival, we have our bon odori ga sokoshi odoreru yoni narimashita. Okay. I able to dance a little bit, okay, for the bon odori. Let's have the number 1, Jen-san.
Yato jozu ni hashi ga blank yo ni narimashita.
Okay, what's
Ano,
verb?
Chukairu.
Okay, so very good. So we have our tsukaeru. Tsukaeru. Okay. Tsukaeru yoni narimashita. Done. Okay, so how do you understand the sentence, Jen?
Ano ba yung jozu? Yung parang yung bridge finally is natapos na. Jozu
But tsukaeru,
parang,
ano yung tsukaeru?
nagawa pala. Ginagawa na.
No, ano yung tsukaeru muna? Tsukaeru is?
Tsukairu?
Tsukaimasu.
Tsukairu is to make, right?
Tsukurimasu yun, tsukuru yun. Magkaiba yun.
Use? Use!
To use.
To use. So, pwede nang gamitin yung jozu na bridge. Jozu is like...
Yung ma-bridge kaya itong hashi?
Opo.
Ano kaya itong hashi na to? Ano yung pag kumakain tayo na hindi tayo na ano itong ginagamit?
Chopstick?
Chopstick.
So, hashi is bridge din.
Bridge. Pero different kanji sila. Okay. But if you want to check the sentence, hindi siya medyo okashi, no? Okashi, medyo strange. Hashi. Okay. And we have another one, hashi. Okay, this one is the bridge. Different kanji sila. Ito naman yung chopsticks. Okay, so how do you understand the sentence?
So finally, I'm able to eat skillfully with chopsticks or using chopsticks.
Very good, okay. So parang pero meron tayong adverb of quality dito, no? Jozu. Sa wakas, magaling na akong gumamit ng chopstick. Okay. Sa wakas, magaling na akong gumamit ng I'm able to use chopstick already. Okay? Wakarimasu ka?
Hi.
Kasi kung magiging bridge ang context natin dito, finally, magaling na akong gumamit ng
medyo yung bridge na magandang gawa, parang high quality bridge.
Ay, hindi naman lahat gumagawa ng bridge. At saka siguro, ito mas maganda itong gamitin because for foreigner concept, because for gaijin or gaikokujin, we don't use chopsticks naman. Okay. Ay, yokodekimashita. Jatsugi wa 2番, Len-san.
Hi. 広い部屋に引っ越ししましたから大きい家具が置けるようになりました。
Okay, what is kagu again?
Furniture.
Very good. Okay, so our answer here is what verb?
Okeru.
Very good. To put. Okay, but this one able to put. Okay. So how do you understand the sentence?
Since my room is already spacious, I can put big furniture.
Okay, good. But we have our word hikoshi shimashita. What is hikoshi shimashita?
I moved to a bigger room.
Very good. Like moving a different place, moving residence. Okay. So he's saying here that, or she's saying here that I moved to a different or for a big room already. This is the reason. Therefore, okay, I can put already a big furniture. I was able to put a big furniture. Past tense. Hi. じゃあ3番 MJ。
ダイエットをすれば小さいサイズの服が着られるようになるでしょう。
Okay. What's our answer?
着られる。
Okay, we have our 着られる。着られる。着られる。Okay, so how do you understand the sentence?
If you will do diet, yung mga maliliit daw po na size na clothes is will be able to wear. Diba?
Okay, very good. Okay, but this one, the shop, okay, like this one. Kapag nag-diet ka, yung mga maliliit na damit na size, masusuot mo na, di ba? Okay. Cha, Yongban et Tolen-san.
先生すみません。今運転しています。
は？yung?
今運転しています。
はい。
ごめんなさい。
いいよ、わかります。じゃあ、次は、ジェンさん。
はい。早く日本語で電話がブランクようになりたいです。かける。
Okay, so for our number 4, we have what's our answer?
Kakeru.
Kakeru. How will we make that our plain form? For our plain form potential. Because this one is kakeraremas, right? Group 2 yan. For example, tabemas, it will become taberaremas, right? But it will become plain form. Drop mas and adding root. Taberareru. How about this one? We have our kakeraremas. Drop mas and attaching
ru.
Okay, so our answer is
kakerareru.
Okay, so we have our kakerareru. Okay, so how do you understand the sentence?
Hayaku nihongo. Hurry and make a call in Japanese.
Okay.
Tama ba? Hayaku nihongo de denwa ga ni naritay. Parang ganon. Hurry and make a call in Japanese.
Okay, but we have your naritay, desire. So this one, sinasabing dito na
I want to, gusto niyang makatawag in Japan, makatawag sa phone in Japanese really soon or in the near future.
Right?
Nang mabilis.
Okay. So this one, para maging pera-pera siya, no, parang fluent. Gusto ko, kapag ako nag-uusap sa telepono ng Japanese, gusto ko ng mabilis, no? Mabilis. Okay, pera-pera, fluent. Hai, yoko dekimashita. Ja, Goban, MJ sign.
はい。いつか私たちは月に住めるようになるでしょうか
Okay, what's our answer?
住める。
Okay, so we have our sumeru. Because it comes from the word of sumimasu, right? But we'll make it for plain form our sumu. Then lipat lang natin ng plain form sume, then dru. So we will have our plain form now, our sumeru yoni. How do you understand this?
One day, tayo ba, we will be able to live sa buwan?
Okay,
Kaya,
but this one, Itsuka, it means someday, no? Someday, we will, okay? That's Itsuka, it means someday, okay? Because one day, it's like more on ichinichi, no? Ichinichi, in one day, okay? Itsuka, okay? So, someday, we will live in moon, right? We will live in moon. Okay, tsukimi, okay? Sumeru yoni, yoni naru desho ka? Next one, we have our narimashita, yoni narimashita. Let's have this one. In this example, jitensha ni noreru yoni narimashita ka? Iie, mada noremasen. Okay, so let's try to find out the right answer here. Ja, ichiban eto Jen-san.
Hi, okosan wa blank yoni narimashita ka? Iie, mada hotondo aruikemasen. Arukemasen.
Okay.
Arukeru.
Okay, very good. So we have our arukeru. How do you understand the sentence?
Okosan.
What is okosan?
Wife of someone.
Okusan yon?
Ay, okusan. Huh?
Okusan.
Anak ng someone.
Okay, okay. Okusan. So remember, okusan is wife of someone, and we have our okosan is child of someone. Okay, child of someone. Okusan. Okay, so yung anak mo ba
ay nakakapaglakad na?
Okay, are able to walk already. Okay. Then sabi niya rito, no, not yet, almost not able to walk. We have our hotondo, almost. Okay, ja, niban, eto MJ.
Hai, kanji ga kakeru you ni narimashita ka? Iie, mada ammari kakemasen.
Okay. So here our answer is amari. What's your answer?
Kakemasen.
Kakemasen. Okay. Kakemasen. Okay. Kakemasen. Okay. So we're seeing here that, oh, how do you understand the sentence?
So first is, are you able to write kanji na ba? Tinatanong niya. Then answer niya is not yet. Hindi ko pa kaya mag-write ng, naka-amari kasi sensei. Basta parang konti pa lang yung kaya kong i-write.
Okay, so sabi niya rito, nakakasulat ka na ba ng kanji? Okay. Iye, okay, not much of this one. Iye, not much, okay, not much writing, not able to write. Hindi pa ako ganon masyadong nakakasulat. Ja, samban eto Jen-san.
Nihongo de iken ga blank ni narimashita ka? Iie, mada hotondo iemasen. Ieru?
Okay, so our answer here is?
Ieru.
Okay, hi, our ieru. Okay, how do you understand the sentence?
Kaya mo bang magbigay or magsabi ng opinions in Japanese? Hindi pa hotondo. Kasi hotondo, hindi desu ka? Almost, hindi pa almost na nakakapagsalita or something.
Nakakapagsalita, that's right. Okay. So sabi niya rito, via Nihongo, okay, nakapagbigay ka na ba or nagsalita ka na ba ng opinion? Hindi pa. Okay. Iye, mada, hindi pa ako nakakapagbigay o nakakapagsalita ng opinion almost. Ja, yomban, ito, ima, lansanwa, ima. Ima, untenshiteru. Ja, wakarimasu.
Nagdadrive po ata si Len.
Sige. Yomban, ito, MJ.
はい。どんな料理が作れるようになりましたかと、まだ簡単な料理しか作れません。
Okay, so we have our tsukuremasen. Hi, yokodekimashita. Okay, how do you understand the sentence?
はい。First is, so, tinatanong niya kung anong klase na ng meal ang kaya niyang lutuin or gawin. Then, ang answer niya is, not yet. Only easy meals pa lang yung kaya niyang gawin.
Okay, easy or simple meal lang, no? Simple. Kantan is simple. Hi, yoko. Only simple meal that able to do. Sa goban, ito, Jensan.
Goban, it's kawatashi tat. Wala. Nan miteru guray blank yoni. Nan meteru guray blank yoni narimashita ka. Mada go meteru guray shika oyogemasen. Oyogeru.
Okay, so with this one, we have our oyogeru. Okay, how do you understand the sentence?
Approximately ilang meters ang kaya mong i-swim?
Okay, are you able to swim? Okay.
Tapos,
and this one?
Mada gomiteru almost not almost 5 meters yung nalalangoy niya.
Okay, good. Okay. So somebody asked here, how many meters are you able to swim? For now, or as of now, okay, as of now, it will not be more than by 5 meters I'm able to swim. So he's saying here that it's impossible for him to reach more than 5 meters. It can exceed actually more than 5 meters, but not so much as that. Or it can be less than 5 pa, okay, by using our shika. So we remember, once we have our shika, our verb should be on a negative form. Okay, let's go here. Okay, so we have our shika and another shika here. Okay, wakarimasu ka?
Sensei, shitsumanga.
Hi, dozo.
So, shika can also means more or less. Di po ba parang but or only lang po siya sa, pero naka-negative yung verb?
That's correct, more or less, okay? And it can be also only, okay? But this one, it's more, that's the reason once we use our shika, it's more about the abilities. If you will see also the verb, it changed also to the negative, okay, or it was used also for the, what do you call this one? It will be used in a negative a potential verb, no?
Okay pa. Arigato.
Yes, so let's go more with our shika.
失礼します。
はい、どうぞ。
はい。shika は nothing but 同じですか？
Not only or nothing but here. Only or nothing but. But we use it in a negative.
Negative only.
Yes, for the verb. So let me see here. See, like in our sentence structure here, right? Here our shika. Okay, but the verb will be on negative masen. Okay, another one here. Okay, we have our shika here, but our answer here are suku remasen. Okay, suku remasen. So that's the usage of our shika. Did I able to answer your question?
はい、はい、わかりました。
Goban, okay, so we have in this question, okay, wakaronai kotoba ga attara, okay, and we will find which one is the correct fukushi or adverb. Jozu, jozu ni yatto sugu jisho de shiraberu you ni shite imasu. Okay, so like this one, sugu. If I encounter a word that I don't know, immediately via dictionary, I'm checking on it. Okay. How about our number 2 here? Karada no choshi ga warui toki wa and you see here our amari, okay, not much. Amari muri wo shinai de kudasai. If my condition of my body's condition is not good, okay, I don't do much impossible things or the things that I cannot do. Ja, let's go with our number 1. Ichiban lensan, nyuzu no.
ニュースの日本語が、ブランク少しブランクようになりました。
Okay, what's our answer?
ニュースの日本語が、きっと少し読めるなりました。
Okay, kitto, it means assuredly, no? Assuredly, while our kanarazu is without failing or by all means, then yatto, this is an expression of finally of doing something. Okay, so let's have MJ. What's your answer here?
Yatto.
Okay, here we have our yatto. Okay, how about Len as Jensan?
Ay, chatamate. Yatto.
Okay, so the correct answer is yatto here. Okay, and what kind of verb are we going to use here? Let's have Len. Okay, we can try that. How about let's have MG. What's your answer here?
Wakaru, sensei.
Okay, wakaru. Okay. So how do you understand the sentence?
Finally, I was able to understand yung Japan news.
Okay, about I able to understand a Japanese news a little bit. Okay, a little bit. So koshi wakaru you ni narimashita. Finally, I able to understand the Japanese news a little bit. Okay, 2番Jen-san. ここでは
絶対に必ずなかなかにtabako wo blank yo ni shite kudasai. Zettai ni.
Okay, zettai ni.
Suwanai.
It will come.
Suwanai.
Suwanai, okay. Suwanai, okay. Yoni, check with us. How do you understand the sentence?
In this area, zettai, it's parang it's a must that you don't absolutely that you cannot smoke tobacco here or cigarettes here.
Okay, but this one we have kudasai, please.
Please.
Absolutely.
Absolutely Absolutely. Please don't smoke here.
Very good. Hi. Okay. So this one we have our suwanai. Okay. Suwanai. It means to not smoke. Ja, tsugi wa MJ.
はい。夜はできるだけかなりやっと早く寝て、朝は早くブランクようにしています。
Okay, so we have, what's our answer?
できるだけ。
Okay, to do only as, or to do as much as possible. And our verb is?
起きる。
So we have our okiru. Okay, okiru. Okay. Okay. Hi, wakarimasu. So how do you understand the sentence?
Sa gabi daw po, as much as possible is maagang matulog. So that sa umaga, you will be able to wake up early then.
So you're able to wake up early. Hi. Ja, yomban ito Lensan.
Maiban neru mai ni blank haon migairu yoni shiteimasu.
Okay, so what's our answer?
Ato kanarazu.
Okay, kanarazu. And our verb?
Migairu.
Okay, for if come, hawo, okay, for migaya. What's our answer?
Migaeru. Migairu?
Migakimasu, diba? Migakimasu.
Migaku.
So, migaku, very good. Okay. Migaku yoni shiteimasu. So, how do you understand the sentence? Bago ka matulog every night, definitely by all means, I'm brushing bago matulog, I'm brushing my teeth. So this one is a habit. Okay, I'm brushing my teeth. Ja, goban ito kana ja MJ.
はい。できる、5番か。できるだけなかなかきっとよちょっと待ってください。夜遅く電話をブランク用にしてください。
Okay.
できるだけ夜遅く電話をかけないようにしてください。
Okay, what's our answer here? What adverb?
できるだけ。
できるだけ and our verb is?
かけない。
Okay, we have our kakenai. Okay, so not called. Kakenai. Okay, how do you understand the sentence?
As much as possible, if it's past night or very late in the night, is wag na daw, please wag nang tumawag sa phone.
So this, okay, wag nang tumawag. Okay, as much as possible, once it become late already or once come late night already, please don't make a phone call. Okay, don't make a phone call anymore. Okay. The rokoban. Okay, so this one we will have our maru or batsu. Okay, for the statement. Sukata. Okay, so this one sukata dogu. Okay, what is dogu, MJ?
Dogu. 忘れました、先生。
It's equipment, no? Dogu. Okay.
わかった。
Dogu. Okay. Dogu wa, okay? So we're saying here, yung bagay na nagamit daw or yung equipment na nagabagay, moto no tokoro, it means original place. Okay. Then we were using here our appropriate one here. Okay. So the appropriate So for example, we say here, modoshite, or we have to use our madoyo ni shite kudasai. So which one should we use here? Is it this one? Can we use our modoshite? Is it maru or batsu? Okay. So for this one, it's maru. Okay. Modoshite kudasai. Please return it. But when we say here, modo, we have our saying modo suyo ni shite kudasai. It's also acceptable. So both are possible, maru and our maru. When here, chotto kono spotsu wo, okay, kashite, okay, it's possible. But when we say kasuyo ni shite kudasai, it's impossible, okay, ne? Muri, okay, impossible. So we cannot use this pattern, okay? But instead, this is possible, kashite kudasai, okay? So here, we have here, hochikisu pala ito, no? Hochikisu stapler, okay? So when this stapler, okay, will you lend it to me, please? But you cannot use our kasuyo ni shite kudasai. That is already wrong. So let's have our number 1. Jen-san, Ichiban.
Hi, sumimasen ga ato jupun kate blank. Motte pala. Motte blank.
It's matte.
Matte. I hate that.
Kasi minutes siya, no? Minutes. It involves time.
Matte blank. Matsuyo ni shite blank kudasai. Maru batsu.
Okay, so we will have our maru, okay. And this one is our batsu. Okay. So we cannot use this one, our matsuyo ni shite kudasai. So like saying, excuse me, after 10 minutes, please wait me. Please wait me after 10 minutes. Okay. Ja, 2番、MJ. 規則は、
はい、規則は必ず守ってブランク、守るようにしてブランクください。
Okay. What is 規則 again?
I forgot, Sensei.
Rules or policy, no? Remember? That's also the same question to you. Kisoku is rules or policy. Okay. So this one, what we are going to use here? Kisoku wa kanarazu, definitely. How about mamote? Can we use mamote?
Hi.
Okay.
Maru.
How about our mamoru yo ni shite kudasai?
Hi.
Okay.
Maru desu.
How about si Jen? Maru or batsu?
Tatamate, yung maru.
Maru. Okay. So this one, it can't be. Okay. Just automatic gumene. It's option batsu gumene. Oops, maru. Ay tadashi. Maru. Iban. Okay. Iban. So both are acceptable. Hi.
はい、質問があります。Yung form po ba na example po yung mamoru yo ni shite kudasai? Kasi yung parang sa discussion po is yung yo ni shite kudasai, it's either parang everyday ay parang lagi mong ginagawa or
Maraming usage ang yoni. It depends for the functions that we will have. Okay. Let's have a quick recap.
Tanong ko lang, Sensei, kasi parang may nabasa akong translation din na pag dito sa sentence na to yung blank. So sutenayo ni shite blank kudasai. So,
okay, so what's our answer number 3?
Sutenai de maru.
Okay, maru. Okay.
はい。
次は?
次はmaru desu.
Okay, and this one is also maru. So how do you understand the sentence?
in the street daw po, yung garbage is please wag itapon.
Okay, wag itapon. Or for the negative, okay, this one, they have the same meaning actually. But if you're saying here for the negative of saying this one, you are saying here, wag ka magtapon ng basura dito. Possible that he will about to throw the garbage. But this one, maybe nasa bahay pa lang kayo and binibigyan mo siya ng warning pagpalabas na tayo. Okay? Pag lalabas tayo, wag ka magtapon ng basura. Okay? So like this one, you are giving a warning the person a heads up of what will happen. Ja, Yomban, ito Jensan.
Hi, Yonban. Kono keki oishi desu ne. So desu ka? Dozo takusan tabete taberu yo ni shite kudasai. Chotto matte. Maru batsu.
Okay, we have our maru. And this one we have our batsu. So in this case, sabi natin that the cake is delicious, right? That's, I see, okay. Ito dozo taksan tabete kudasai. Please eat, please eat. But if you are saying here, taberu yo ni shite kudasai, because the person is already eating, right? So you want to say in the future, or it will become not instant. So ibig sabihin, hindi mo siya pinapakain ngayon agad-agad. It will become, natikman niya na ngayon, di ba? So bakit mo pa sasabihin sa kanya na taberu yo ni shite kudasai? That's why you cannot use our taberu yo ni shite kudasai. Because the person is already eating. Okay? Ja, Goban, ito MJ.
はい、すみませんが、ちょっと手伝うようにしてください。マルバツ。
Okay, so we have our maru. Okay. And follow with our batsu. Okay, so we're saying here, excuse me, okay. Tetsudatte kudasai. Okay, excuse me, please help me. But this one, you cannot say it immediately, okay. Because this one, it will be in the future, okay? Because you are approaching right now the person, okay? So, minsan ga chotto, okay? Tetsudaw yo ni shite kudasai. So this one, you will use this one if you are not expecting for the help of the person right away. Okay. Wakarimasu ka?
はい、わかりました。